Standard 3rd, SST, chapter number 9, our food. India is a vast country. Vast means very big country. A variety of landform like desert, plain and mountains is found here. In India, we can see many different landforms like desert, plains and mountains. Okay, due to different landform, climate condition and types of soil, there is a difference in vegetation and food crops grown. Means due to different landforms, climate condition is also different and types of soil is also different. So vegetations and food crops are also different in different places. Okay, according to the landforms. People living in different states have different types of food habit. Means according to their states, people are eating different types of food. The farmer of India grow a wide variety of food crops, pulses, fruits and vegetables depending on the region they live in. Means the farmers who are in India are grow a wide variety of, wide means very big, okay, huge variety of food crops. Food crops means whatever they are, what we say, they are doing farm in their field, that crops, food crops, pulses, fruits and vegetables depending on the region they live. Okay, pulses and food grains. People in different parts of India eat different kinds of food, as I told you before, that according to their states they are eating different kinds of food. In South India, people eat a lot of rice. Okay, in South India, what they are eating? Lots of rice. Means they are making dishes made from the rice. For example, dosa, idli. Okay, they are able to grow rice because of good rain. Means in South India, there are good rain, and because of that, there is, in that region, lots of rice is there. Rice is more commonly eaten in the eastern and southern states like West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Here they have given different states like West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. So in these all states, people are commonly eating rice. In the desert state of Rajasthan, people eat jowar, bajra and maize. Okay. Coastal India show a liking for different types of seafood. Coastal means the states or villages are near the coastal area, especially fish with rice. People of North India love wheat, chapati and paratha, which pulses and with pulses and vegetable. So here they have given different rice, wheat, jowar, maize and pulses. Common food grains grow in our country, that is rice, wheat, jowar, maize and pulses, fruits and vegetables. And Indian meal is delicious. Along with pulses and food grains, fruits and vegetables also form an important part of our meal in India. Vegetables and fruits like onion, potato and bananas are available throughout the year. For a whole year, if you want that onion, potatoes and banana, then you will get easily. But all fruits and vegetables are not grown throughout the year. But rest of the others fruit you will not get throughout the year except onion, potato and banana. Mango comes to our market during summer and apples in winter. Carrots and peas greet us during winter. When you will get carrot and peas? During winter season, except that you will not get. Fruits and vegetables that are available only in a particular season are called seasonal fruits and vegetables. So fill in the blanks. It is given. People of coastal India like to eat. What type of food they are eating? Coastal India people, seafood. Seafood means they are eating especially fish, okay, with rice, as I explained you in the pulses and food grains while explaining, right? And mango comes to our market in summer. Here I have written mangoes come to our market during summer. So answer will come here, summer. Taste of India. The food that people eat in different states of India has a taste of its own. Means those who are living in south, so they likes to eat food items which make from rice. For example, dosa, idli, mendu vada, everything, right? The flavor comes from different types of quantity of oil and spices used. Means according to their taste, they are using spices, oils, and all, right? Oil seeds. The oil we use for cooking comes from oil seeds. India produces oil seeds like groundnut, sunflower, mustard, coconut, and sesame. Sesame means til. Oil is used to cook food. It gives a flavor of the seed crushed to extract it. Means we are using oil and we are using different types of oil. Some are eating groundnut oil, some are eating sunflower oil, some are eating mustard oil, some are using coconut oil, some are using sesame til oil, or some are using that cotton seed oil also they are using according to the taste. Okay, so we are getting oil from the oil seeds of that given names. Okay, so now here it is spices. India is a famous for spices since ancient time. Spices such as pepper, cardamom, chilies, turmeric, cloves, coriander, cumin seeds, chilies, fenugreek, nutmeg, and cinnamon are grown in India. They give flavor and color to the food. It is the taste and aroma of spices that make Indian food popular all over the world. Here they have given different name of the spices, so they have shown here in the picture. Okay, so it is a cumin seed, red chili powder, then sesame seed, then pepper, turmeric, chili, then here they have given nutmeg. They have not shown, they have written here, but it is not. Nutmeg means jaifal. Okay, fenugreek means you are eating methi, that green methi, it is called fenugreek. Then chilies, that you know. Cumin seeds means jeera, coriander, dhania, cloves, long, turmeric, haldi, cardamom, taj, matlab all these type of spices we are using for flavor and for good aroma or taste. Fine. So it is, these all are Indian food popular all over the world, and it gives different flavors. Okay, and because of that only we are using these spices. So up to here I am explaining you in this video, and in next video I will continue this chapter. Okay, so till that you do this much, and in next video I will show the remaining portion of this chapter.